This video demonstrates core functions of the web portal. These are available on the dashboard page. You will find all of the cameras on the left side of the new dashboard page. This section is called the camera list and was previously referred to as the system map. Your cameras are listed in alphabetical order. If you have a lot of cameras, simply scroll through the list. Camera names typically include the location of the actual camera along with what it is viewing. If a camera name is long, it may look truncated. Simply mouse over it to view the full camera name. You may also enter part of the camera name in the filter bar. Once you find the camera that you need, you are now ready to view video. To play live video, go to the camera list and click on the camera that you would like to play. You can also check the box beside the camera name. Once you select a camera, two things will happen. 1. Live video from the camera will load and play in the video window. And 2. The camera you selected will be listed in the current view. We automatically add the camera to your current view so that you can easily manage them during your session. Once the live feed of your selected camera is loaded, you can use the tabs on the left or on the bottom of the video window to further enlarge your view. Moving your mouse over the video will show the title bar at the top and the control bar at the bottom of our video player. As you view live video, you can confirm that you are watching the correct camera by looking at the camera name, and you can also export video, capture or print a frame, and lock or remove the camera from the video window. Let's start live video from this camera one more time. If you are on site and have remote network access to your camera, you can jump to DVR controls to review past footage. Other options for live viewing include HD resolution, popping out the video player in a different window, and going full screen. Let's review DVR capability. Move your mouse over the video window to display the title bar. If the DVR logo is white, your camera has DVR playback capability, and you can review past footage directly from the player. Click on the DVR logo to launch DVR controls. Select the date and time that you would like to review, and hit Go. This will shift your view from live to DVR and begin playing recorded video from the date and time selected. While you are in DVR mode, you have various controls. You can return to live video. You can step forward and back. You can play or pause video. You can even change the playback speed. Playback speed allows you to increase the speed up to 16 times. You can also return to normal playback by clicking a single button. There are also options to skip ahead or back by a single frame, or if you wish, you can skip all the way up to 30 frames at one time. Here we will skip ahead by 2 seconds. One really useful feature often overlooked is the ability to go to the previous or the next event by clicking these buttons. This is a useful shortcut that skips over possibly hours of video to find the next event to play back. When you are ready, click Export to create a copy of your video and download it to your computer or share it with someone else. A key feature of the web portal is search. Search is always available via the search icon at the top right of the video window. Click on the search icon to launch the event search box. Select the cameras that you would like to search through Pick cameras by clicking on the name or the checkbox next to them, or if you choose, select from the cameras in your current view. Next, select the event types you would like to review. We recommend that you be as specific as possible for best results. Now go ahead and define the date and time range for the search, clicking the start date and the end date. Note that if the start date and the end date are the same, you must click the date twice. Once you have selected your date range, you can now define your time range. Select the start time and the end time. This now defines your search criteria for your camera. Click Search and the results appear at the bottom in the event list. You can play an event by clicking the play icon. The event being played is highlighted, and all events reviewed will display a check mark to the right of that icon. You can review all clips in succession by turning on autoplay. To save, delete, or email an event, select the events from the event table and choose the appropriate icon in the upper right corner to complete the task. Thank you for watching.